In a lush, green jungle, deep in the heart of South America, there lived a little capybara named Carlos. Carlos was a friendly and curious capybara, with a love for exploring the jungle. One day, Carlos decided to venture further than he ever had before. He left the comfort of his home burrow and set off on a big adventure. As he hopped through the jungle, he met many new friends. There was a vibrant parrot named Pablo, a mischievous monkey named Marcos, and a wise old tortoise named Tito. Pablo, with his colorful feathers, showed Carlos how to find the ripest, sweetest fruits. Marcos, with his nimble fingers, taught Carlos how to swing from tree to tree like a pro. And Tito, with his ancient wisdom, taught Carlos about the jungle's secrets and hidden treasures. One day, Carlos and his new friends stumbled upon a beautiful waterfall. Carlos was amazed by its beauty and thought, "This must be the most beautiful sight I've ever seen." But as they approached the waterfall, they noticed something unusual. A small, golden key was caught in the vines at the base of the waterfall. Carlos, Pablo, Marcos, and Tito knew they had to help. They worked together, cutting the vines and carefully freeing the key. Once the key was free, they followed the path it revealed, discovering a hidden cave behind the waterfall. Inside, they found a treasure trove of jungle seeds, fruits, and precious gems. Carlos and his friends gathered as much as they could carry and shared it with the rest of the jungle animals. The jungle was filled with laughter and joy, and Carlos knew that he would never forget his big adventure. Back in his burrow, Carlos realized that the best part of his adventure wasn't the treasure, but the friends he had made. He fell asleep, dreaming of more adventures in the jungle with Pablo, Marcos, and Tito. And so, the little capybara named Carlos grew up to be the happiest capybara in the jungle, always ready for his next big adventure, but cherishing the friendships he had made along the way. The end.